Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure passive income with Ally Bank step by step clearly. To secure passive income with Ally Bank, start by opening a high-yield savings account. Visit the Ally Bank website and click on the Open Account option. Fill out the necessary personal information, including your name, address, and social security number. Choose whether you want to open an individual or joint account. Review the terms and conditions before proceeding. Once you submit your application, wait for confirmation that your account has been opened. Next, fund your account by linking it to an existing bank account for easy transfers. Consider using monthly contributions to consistently grow your savings. Explore the high-yield features of the account, noting the competitive interest rates offered by Ally Bank. Monitor your account regularly through the Ally Bank app or website to track your earnings. Set up automatic transfers to consistently deposit money into your savings. Utilize Ally's budgeting tools to manage your spending and maximize your savings potential. If desired, look into Ally's other investment options, like CDs or investment accounts, to further increase your passive income. Always keep an eye on any changes in interest rates and adjust your savings strategy accordingly. Revisit your financial goals periodically to ensure your passive income continues to grow over time. This approach to securing passive income will help maximize your earnings with Ally Bank efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.